Hi everyone, I'm Mallory, your friendly neighborhood car reviewer, and I'm here to show you a 2023 Toyota Highlander Platinum located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color of this Highlander is called Midnight Black Metallic. This vehicle also has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder turbo gas engine that puts out 264 horsepower. This Highlander uses 11.8 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior features. So first things first, we're going to take a look at the driver's side interior door panel. So as you can see here, you have this nice wood design along the front panel. You also have a seat preset. So that means if you like your seat set a certain way and your spouse or your child or your friend like their seat set a different way, you can have yours set to 1, they can have theirs set to 2, and that way your seat is automatically the way that you like it every time you get into the car. Down here you have a nice handle. You can also see that you have your power windows, your power locks, your child safety locks, your power adjusting mirrors, and also your power folding mirrors as well. Down at the bottom here, you also have a nice compartment with a cup holder in it at the bottom. Just a quick look at the front interior. It is Softex leather upholstery. So for those of you that have never had Softex, it's a little better than leather. It won't tear as quickly as leather does, and it stays warmer in the winter and colder in the summer. You also have your power seats as well. You do, however, also have a Softex leather steering wheel. And the steering wheel is heated as well. So now we're just going to take a look at the steering wheel audio controls. So here you have the controls for your digital screen. You have the go back button, you can make a call, you can adjust the volume for the radio stations, and you also have voice recognition as well. Over on this side, you have your rear cross traffic alert, your lane departure alert. Here you can control the changing of the stations for the radio, and you also have your cruise control as well. Here's a quick look over here at the odometer. As you can see, it is all digital. And to the left-hand side, you have at the top, you have your RPM, and at the bottom, you have your temperature gauge for your coolant. You also, as well, have how many kilometers are on the vehicle, and it also tells you how many liters per 100 kilometers right in the middle there as well. In the middle, you'll have our digital screen, which will tell you how fast you're going down the road. You can have it digitally. You also have it where it can tell you the gear, the temperature outside, and the time outside as well. And over on the right hand side, you have the speedometer at the top, and at the bottom you have your fuel gauge. Quick look over here at the radio. This is a 12.3 touchscreen radio, and you do have FM, and you also have satellite radio. Now with this, you can also hook up your phone to it. It has Bluetooth connection. It also has Wi-Fi as well. It does have a navigation system. The navigation system has yet to be hooked up because this is just a brand new vehicle. But you can hook that up as well. Now we're going to take a quick look at the backup camera. So you have 2 cameras. I will show you more when we get to the back of the vehicle, but you have 2 cameras on the back of the vehicle. Now we're going to look down here at some of the controls. Not only do you have heated seats, but you also have cooled seats as well, which is great for the summertime. Now you also have a dual zone heating and air conditioning. So that means not only can you adjust the heat on your side, but the passenger can also adjust the heat on their side as well. You also have your rear window defrost. Now a quick look down here. Here you have a wireless phone charger. Down here you also have a nice compartment for your phone, a USB input, 2 USB inputs, and you also have a 12-volt outlet as well. Here you have a whole bunch of different modes, so you can drive in snow, mud and sand, rock and dirt. Just gonna open up this little compartment here. You do have a 12-volt outlet right here. Just open that up. Now we're gonna take a quick look over here on the passenger side. As you can see, there's power locks and power windows over there as well. Now let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So now we're gonna take a look at the driver's side exterior. So first we're gonna look at the front here. You have your LED headlights. You also down here have LED fog lights as well. So now we're gonna come up along the side. You have your 20-inch alloy wheels. All 4 tires are the same. They are all Bridgestones. And they're 235s, 55s, R20s. Coming up along the side, you can see you have your integrated turn signal mirrors. Just a quick look up at the top. One thing I forgot to mention when we were inside, you do have a sunroof. You also have some nice roof rails, which is great for hauling things in the summertime. So now we're gonna hop in and take a look at the trunk. So like I was saying, inside you do have your 2 backup cameras. There they are right there. Now to open up the trunk, you're just gonna press this button right underneath here. Listen for the beep. And then the trunk rises up just like that. Now here's a quick look at what the trunk looks like. So as you can see, you do have lots of room. You can put lots of groceries in here, any birthday shopping, Christmas shopping, hockey tournaments that you need to go to. You could actually fit probably about 4 or 5 hockey bags back here, which is perfect. Now you also, these are your floor mats. You have the cloth ones on top, and you do have the all-season floor mats here. They just aren't installed yet. Now if you look over here, you have cup holders and cup holders here. That's because if you pull this little handle here, you now have 3 additional seats in the back. You have 1 here and 2 right here. And there you go. And then to go and put the trunk down, you're just gonna go and press this button here. And then wait for it to click. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior rear features. All right, so just like we did in the front, we're also going to do in the back here. We're taking a look at the driver's side rear interior door panel. So back here you have that nice wood design back here. You also have a handle, power windows, and a nice compartment with 2 cup holders on the bottom. You do, however, have this handy dandy little feature. So if you have kids in the back seat, or even just you being in the back seat and the sun's getting in your eyes, you can just simply lift this up and it locks in just like that. And then you can just pop it out and there you go. Now we're gonna take a quick look at the rear interior. As you can see, it is Softex leather as well. And you do have captain seats as well. So to easily fold these seats down, you can use 2 hands. We're just gonna use 1 today. You just flick this up, the seat will come folding forward like that. Then you're gonna pull this button at the bottom here, and the seat will come down just like that. And then to lift it up, you can just pop it up, and there you go. You do have a nice little pocket in behind the driver's seat. You also have one in behind the passenger seat as well. Now, a couple new features. Since this is the Platinum, you do have heated rear seats, but you can also control your own temperature, so you also have air vents back here as well. So if the driver likes theirs set at 28, the passenger likes theirs set at 26, you could have yours set right to 29 if you like, and set it however way you like. Then at the bottom here, you have two USB inputs and a 120 volt outlet as well. In the middle of the two seats, you also have two cup holders. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. And as you can see, you also have your power windows on the passenger side door as well. Alright folks, that was our 2023 Toyota Highlander in Midnight Black Metallic. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Until then, take care, and I'll see you next time.